Everyone thinks the best-selling stainless steel air fryers are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven really caught my eye. Priced at $190.53, it's not the cheapest option out there, but with over 7,100 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, it's a bestseller for a reason. If you want a kitchen appliance that can do it all, this is worth a serious look. So what makes this Cuisinart stand out? For starters, it's got 8 cooking functions, so whether you want to air fry crispy chicken wings or bake a pizza, this bad boy can handle it. The Air Advantage technology delivers optimized hot air flow, which means your food cooks faster, locking in flavor and giving that coveted crunch. It has a spacious capacity too, able to toast 6 slices of bread or roast a whole 4-pound chicken. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You can prepare family meals all in one go, saving you both time and hassle. Now, some people have pointed out that it can take a bit longer to preheat compared to other air fryers. Here's the thing though, once it's heated, it delivers results that are often worth the wait. If you're someone who values versatility and quality in your cooking, this isn't going to be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you love cooking a variety of meals and want a dependable all-in-one appliance. Skip this one if you're looking for something compact for just a single serving. At its price point, it really offers good value for all that functionality. Now, if the price of the Cuisinart made you hesitate, the next one on my list is a fantastic budget-friendly alternative. Product number 2, Black Plus Decker Crisp and Bake Air Fry. The Black Plus DECKR Crisp and Bake is a great contender, especially at just $61.99. With a solid 4.2-star rating from 6,300 reviews, this one is also a bestseller. If you want a reliable air fryer without breaking the bank, definitely consider this. This model is super versatile with its 5-in-1 functionality. It's perfect for cooking up to a 9-inch pizza or 4 slices of bread. That's particularly great if you're short on counter space but still want to whip up family meals. The Even Toast technology ensures your toast comes out perfectly every time, which is a nice touch for breakfast lovers. However, some users mention that the cooking time can be a bit longer than expected. But honestly, I think this is a minor issue when you consider the quality of the food it produces. If you're patient and appreciate a well-cooked meal, this shouldn't sway your decision. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a value-driven air fryer that still delivers on performance. Skip this one if you're after something with a larger capacity for bigger families. You really can't go wrong for the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a larger capacity. Product number 3, Chefman Air Fryer 8QT. Next up is the Chefman Air Fryer, which is a powerhouse at 8 quarts for just $79.95. With a fantastic 4.5-star rating from over 16,400 reviews, it's clear that this one is a crowd favorite. If you want to cook larger meals, this is definitely worth a serious look. The main highlight here is its 4-in-1 functionality, letting you air fry, bake, and even reheat with ease. The Turbo Fry option cranks up the heat to 450 degrees F, giving you crispier results, perfect for those guilty pleasure French fries. And let's not forget about ease of use. The touch control makes setting your cooking parameters a breeze. The shake notifications are a nice touch too, ensuring even cooking without having to keep track of time. Now, some people have noted that the exterior tends to heat up during use. Here's the thing though, this is pretty common with air fryers, and as long as you're careful, it's manageable. It's not a deal breaker, especially considering how well it cooks. This is perfect for you if you frequently cook for a family or enjoy meal prepping. Skip this one if you need something compact for a single person. At this price, it's a great investment for family meals. Now, if you're looking for a smaller option but don't want to sacrifice quality, the next one has got you covered. Product number 4, Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6QT. Up next is the Instant Pot Vortex Plus, which is priced at $89.99 and carries a 4.5-star rating from 71,900 reviews. This one is a favorite for a reason. If you want an air fryer that packs a punch without taking up too much space, definitely check this out. This air fryer is a 6-in-1 machine, meaning it can air fry, broil, dehydrate, and more. The Even Crisp technology means you'll get that satisfying crunch with 95% less oil than traditional frying. With a family-sized capacity of 6 quarts, it's great for meal prepping or cooking side dishes. And the user-friendly touchscreen makes operations simple, showing you each cooking stage at a glance. However, some users have mentioned that the control panel can be a bit sensitive. Here's my perspective on that. It just takes a bit of getting used to, and once you're familiar with it, you'll appreciate the ease of use it offers. This is perfect for you if you want a multifunctional air fryer that doesn't skimp on space. Skip this one if you're looking for something strictly for singles or couples. It's definitely worth the investment with all its features. Now, if you're looking for something even more compact, the next product might be what you need. Product number 5, Instant Pot Vortex Plus Mini 4QT. Finally, we have the Instant Pot Vortex Plus Mini, which is a compact yet powerful air fryer priced at $69.99. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 71,900 reviews, it's a great choice for smaller households. If you're tight on space but still want quality, this one's definitely worth your attention. Its compact design saves counter space without sacrificing performance. The Even Crisp technology is still in play here, ensuring you get that golden brown crispiness while using 95% less oil. Plus, it comes with safety features like overheat protection, perfect for peace of mind. However, some users have found it a bit less powerful than larger models. Honestly though, for a mini air fryer, it performs exceptionally well, and if you don't need to cook for a large group, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you live alone or in a small household and want a versatile cooking option. Skip this one if you frequently cook for larger gatherings. It's a solid choice for the price. In conclusion, we've seen a range of options today, from the all-in-one Cuisinart to the compact Instant Pot Vortex Mini. Each offers something unique to fit different needs and budgets. To wrap it up, the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven offers versatility. The Black Plus DECKER brings fantastic value. The Chefman provides extra capacity. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus excels in functionality, and the Vortex Mini is perfect for smaller spaces. Whatever your needs, there's a stainless steel air fryer on this list for you.